Ever copy-pasted the same complex SQL query across dozens of files? There's a better way. Let's talk about views. A view is a saved query that you define once and reference by name anywhere in your database. Instead of writing the same 5-table join in every report, dashboard, and stored procedure, you create a view and just select from it. Write once, use everywhere. That's reusability at its core. Your code stays dry, your queries stay consistent, and you save hours of redundant typing. Views also abstract complexity. Imagine a query that joins orders, customers, and shipping addresses with filters and calculations. Without a view, every developer writes that logic from scratch, and mistakes creep in. With a view, you hide all that complexity behind a simple name. Now anyone can select from customer orders view without knowing the underlying joins. It's like a function for your data. Maintainability is where views really shine. Let's say your schema changes. A column gets renamed or a table gets split. If you wrote that query 100 times, you need to update 100 places. But if you used a view, you update the view definition once, and every query that references it instantly gets the fix. One change, everywhere updated. No hunting through code. Views also improve security and consistency. You can grant users access to a view that shows only safe columns or filtered rows without exposing the raw tables. And because everyone queries the same view logic, you eliminate bugs from copy-paste drift. No more subtle differences in filters or joins across teams. Bottom line, views let you reuse queries, simplify complexity, maintain logic in one place, and control access. They make your database work smarter, not harder. Now go create a view and stop repeating yourself. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.